Last day. It's time to go.
Hello po. Hello, good morning, ma'am.
It's time to go.
Sa Ate Joy.
I need a time to take a break and chill. There's some more get watch, we'll keep it warm. I wanna have a good time with you, ayy. 하지만 오늘 시간 없어, gotta move.
Thank you. At the airport. Thank you po. Checking in. Mamayang 5 pa. That's the flight. Nag-excess kami. Excess kami. So, we're gonna have to check in the bags. Wala naman kami masyadong pasalubong. Going down. Wala pa masyadong people, so it's time to go down. It's super cold.
Tapos biglang sa baba.
Marami yan. Madami nang bumaba kanina. Going home. At least dapat reserve din dito para in case bags are there. We're home. So timing. Need to wait for the bags. Dito na lang ata. Napaksik pa. No bags yet. We're home. Pupuntahan. Napupuntahan ka, Jack. Si Madam Emma. Go, Ems! Napakalaki! Napakalaki! Andun kay Ems. Let's go!
May gunting ba kayo wala pa na bawang? Ano ba yan?
Naganap ng gunting. Okay, time to unwrap. And finally home. Waiting sa sundo ni Jack. Because sasabay kami. Yeah, finally